Hey YouTubers, here's a quick review on this new Yamaha F25 4-stroke EFI. I picked this up yesterday. Actually arrived in the mail. I'll put a link as to where I got it. Anthony is a great guy to deal with. What it is, so I've got the tiller handle. You can see the variable trolling speed there. I do have the cables for the starter. The cowling, so I'm replacing a Mercury 25 horse 2-stroke. This cowling, the whole motor itself is considerably bigger, but it's only 20 pounds heavier. I'll show you what I'm doing the old one. The old motor was sold on eBay. It's being shipped out to New York. Where do we start? Fuel filter, nice and easy to get to. Oil dipstick. So it came with Yamaha lube. It took a quart and she's topped off. Throttle body, TPS sensor, of course your injectors, intake manifold, and emissions crap. Low pressure fuel pump. Filter, coil, oh dang, that is hot. Voltage converter, main ECU. What I haven't found is the secondary fuel pump. Basically what it is the mechanical fuel pump dumps fuel into a secondary fuel pump into a sump, and there's an EFI pump in there. Oh, there it is. So this little black box houses the high pressure fuel pump. How does she start? Let's see if I can start it. Sorry. There's a compression release on the starter. It's pretty easy to start, but I'd still say get the electric start if you can. I've got a long shaft on there. Standard prop is 9 3/4 by I think 11 3/4 pitch. I'd have to double check on that. Freshwater flush, that's kind of nice, but I won't be using it since I'm out here in Colorado. I'm using fresh water mainly. This was kind of neat. So you've got a carry handle over here and up here. So this is actually the resting pad, but it also acts as a carry handle, which is nice because if you're picking it up moving around alone, it's not that bad. This one, don't care so much for. Another thing I don't care much for, there's a plastic lift handle back here. This thing's pretty scrawny. I feel like I'm going to break it off. The one my Mercury has one as well. It is 3 times the thickness, 3 times the width. It's a lot more comfortable. This one actually flexes, and I can flex it quite a bit. One thing I do like here is the tension on the steer. You can easily tighten it up. It gets difficult to move. Loosen it, she swings right over. She'll be going on a 16.5-foot modified V mirror craft, so let's see what she does. The current Mercury will get me up to 22 miles per hour with a 13 pitch prop at 5,500 RPM. The RPM gauge is in the mail. I'll keep this updated.